could stop me. And then came the rush of the flood. Stars of night turned deep to dust, melt me down.